Okay guys, so you can see this right here. I'm gonna give you an update periodically to show you how much I'm earning with Clickbank. And you can see right now it's September 22nd, got another sale. It's a $31.69. Again, there was a $360 sale on like September 2nd. And you can see right here, it's right there, there's a $300 sale. So you can see now each week I'm starting to earn more and more and more, so it's starting to grow. As you can see, it's you know, it's going to be different every month, every day, but that's going to bring more income in. And I will learn how to do this. Simply look below this video, you'll find a link on how to make money with Clickbank. Clickbank is an easy way to get paid. I think they pay directly to your bank account, or they'll send you out a check, and I believe if you're overseas they'll send you out a wire. This is international, as well as USA, Canada, it's worldwide, so anyone can participate in this training. You find the link below. Thanks for watching. It's MichaelInternetPro.com. If you don't see the link below, or you have any problem, just type in MichaelInternetPro.com, and thanks for watching. See you in the next video.